It's a new 2019 Cadillac Escalade. It's iconic and uncompromising and done on a grand scale. Plus, it offers an exciting list of features: Ecotec 3 engine, magnetic fluid-filled shocks, integrated navigation system with voice activation, power tilt-down heated mirrors, heated and ventilated bucket seats, automatic parking assist, entertainment system with Blu-ray, doors and push-button start proximity key, dual-zone climate control, streaming video feed rear-view mirror, and automatic transmission. This from Car and Driver, Cadillac's full-size swagger wagon offers brash chrome-tastic styling and leather-lined luxury. Cadillac, second to none. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Call us today at 1-866-460-9587.